task of week number 114. Let's do a quick video for the second task. The second task is this, called higher integer set bits. So what is it? So you are given a positive number, which is $n. Write a script to find the next higher integer having the same number of 1 bits in binary representation as $n. For example, if the $n is 3, the output should be 5. Why? Because the number of 1 bits in the binary representation of $n is 3. There are two 1 bits, so we need to find the next number higher than 3 which has the same number of bits, which is 5. 5 binary representation of decimal 5 is 101, so that has two 1 bits. Similarly, if $n is 12, so it should give me 17. So let's go back to my playground. So as I just did the task 1, so that's we already have a ch-1, so let's create another one which is going to be ch-2.pl for the second task. Let's do some standard boilerplate stuff. User bin Perl, use strict, use warnings, and for this task also I'm expecting an input from the command line, so let's call it $n. I'm going to, in case it's not there, I'll take an example input which is 3. So let's assume if it is not provided, I take it 3 as my input. One thing we need to do first, find out what is the total count of 1 bits in the given numbers. So I'm going to use the good old sprintf function to find out the count. First convert the number into binary and then count the number of 1 bits. So it's going to be, let's call it my $t is going to be my total number of 1 bits. So let's say sprintf percentage b, and if I pass $n, so that would give me the binary representation of $n. And then what I want to do is I want to count the 1 bit. So I'm going to use the tr count 1, and that should give me the total number of 1 bits in the binary representation of the given number. So that's my $t. So the next target is to find the next higher number than $n which has the same number of 1 bits, and I'm going to use the same loop constructor as I did for task 1, so do until. So similarly in the body it's just incrementing until and it's going to be something first similar stuff is printf percentage b $n. So that's my binary representation, and then count the 1 bits in the incremented number, and that should match to $t. So let's do the parentheses around here. So this should match my target, which is $t. Once you matched it, it's just a matter of printing $n as my answer. Okay, let's save this and run it. ch-2 5. That's the expected answer. Let's take another one. So if if I pass 12 as my input, then it should return me 17. Let's do 12. I'm expecting 17. So it looks pretty much similar to the task one, but slightly different, because I'm using here is printf function, and then there's magic tr to count the 1 bits. So that's it. That's again the short video for the second task of week 114. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like my work, please share with your friend. Thank you.